Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create double exposure clipart bundle. Open Canva and create a new design. Upload your preferred photos and go to upload. Select your photo like this. Remove the background and resize it. Go to edit, then the button, select custom and change the color to white color for shadows and highlights also. Then go to elements and choose a rectangle shape. Then change the color to black color and crop it. Then make it behind of the photo as you see. Now download the page. Open your page, then upload your photo, insert it in the second page and remove the background. Then make it fit with the page and go to the first page and duplicate the first image, then move it to the second page. Then go to edit, then the button and reset the settings. Choose just no one effect as you see. Then make it behind of the photo as you see. Then choose the second photo with the shape and crop it. Then go to edit, then the button again and choose custom and change the color to white color as you see. Then go to elements, look for any effect as you want or photo. For me, I choose sunset photo. This make it behind the second photo like that. I think is better. Then download the second photo. Go to position and select this photo. Delete it. Then go to uploads and upload this photo. Insert it, then remove the background, then make it fit with the page. Choose the previous size. Now crop it. Then go to apps, make search for image blender, choose the app, click on blend selected image as you see. Move the strength, decrease the strength. I think is good. Click on save. Now click search for another photo, then upload your photo or choose it just in elements. I will choose this photo. I will make it here. Then make the photo behind of the elephant. Go to position. Then go to apps and choose image blender. Click on blend selected image. Like this. Click on save. Select blend selected image again. Now blend the right side of the image. Then decrease the strength. Then click on save. Now move the image and make it bigger for a little bit. I think it's good. Process all objects. Now duplicate this image. Remove the background and make it in the same position and crop it to hide the elephant feet. And duplicate again. Now our double exposure Clipart bottle is ready. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe in my channel.